Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your ChatGPT login error on iPhone. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to try to do is force close your application and reopen it in order to try to log back in. If that doesn't work, then what you need to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data. Also, make sure that VPN is always turned off, and you can also try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick little refresh. Once you've done that, make sure that if you have cache on your iPhone, then you need to clear it. And in order to do so, simply go ahead and open your App Store. Then click on the top right profile icon and scroll down until you find personalized recommendations. Tap on that and click on clear app usage data and tap on it one more time. Once you've done that, it's going to clear cache off App Store. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and reinstall your ChatGPT application. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.